my channel. Today we are making delicious whipped coffee. I'm sure you've heard about whipped coffee by now. If you haven't, it's the latest trend on TikTok and here on YouTube. It's creamy, delicious, and actually really easy to make, and a perfect drink to make on those long, boring days on lockdown. So give this a try. All you need is some instant coffee. I'm just going to use some Nescafe Classic. If you're just making it for one person, you'll only use a tablespoon of coffee, tablespoon of sugar, and tablespoon of hot water. But I'm going to be making this for 2 people, so I highly recommend using 3 tablespoons of each. So we'll start off with 3 tablespoons of coffee. My sugar, so I've got 3 tablespoons of sugar, which I'm just going to put into my bowl, and I've already measured out 3 tablespoons of hot water that I'm just going to pour into my bowl. Now we're going to move on to the next step. Next, you're either going to get yourself a hand whisk or a hand mixer. I highly recommend using a hand mixer. You could use a whisk. It'll probably take you a little bit longer, but with a hand mixer you could just mix it up for about 2 minutes. So here we go. Consistency that you want. It looks like thick, creamy icing sugar. And now your whipped coffee is ready to assemble. Let's go on to the next step. I've just taken a glass and put some ice in and some milk. You could use almond milk, coconut milk. You could have it with ice or warm, however you prefer. And now we're going to use our whipped coffee and just fill our glass up. Now I'm just going to add in the coffee into my milk. If you want a nice refreshing iced coffee drink, I highly recommend this. It kind of looks ombre. It's delicious and creamy and something unusual, and it is trending right now, so I hope you give it a try. Take a look at that, it's so creamy and delicious. It's really good, guys. I hope you give it a try. We have a couple of these a day. You can adjust it to your liking. You can use less sugar, less coffee, or however you choose, but I highly recommend you give this a try. Hey guys, if you didn't know, we have a second channel. It's called Our World TV. Link is in the description box down below. If you enjoy crime documentaries, camera reviews, travel vlogs, a bit of fun and a bit of everything, please check out our second channel. And we do recipes there too, so please drop by, say hello, subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and if you have tried this out or are going to try it out, send me some pictures on Twitter. I'd love to see your creation and any original things that you come up with. You could add chocolate into this if you'd like. Just make it your own. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!